Loropetalum Southern live purple, also known as Chinese fringe flower, is a flowering shrub that is native to Japan, China, and the Himalayas. It was introduced to the United States in the 1800s as an ornamental plant and has since become a popular landscaping choice in warmer regions. Loropetalum Southern live purple is a deciduous to evergreen shrub that can grow up to 10 feet tall and wide. It has oval-shaped leaves that range from green to burgundy in color and produces fragrant, spidery flowers in shades of pink, white, or red in the spring. Loropetalum prefers well-drained soil and full sun to partial shade. It is hardy in USDA zones 7 to 10 and can tolerate drought, but does not tolerate wet soil. The plant requires moderate watering and can benefit from occasional fertilization. Loropetalum can be planted with a variety of other plants, including other shrubs such as azaleas and camellias, as well as perennials such as daylilies and coneflowers. It is also attractive to pollinators such as bees and butterflies. Loropetalum is primarily used as an ornamental plant in landscaping, and its attractive foliage and flowers can add a splash of color to a garden or landscape. Its bark and leaves have also been used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including fever and pain, although its medicinal properties have not been well studied.